Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader on XAUUSD. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. There's a 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us, and we saw a massive up move on the chart of gold. Gold broke the important crucial resistance of 1800 yesterday. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then we clearly discussed that there's a high chance of DXY US dollar currency index breaking the support of 105 and going down, and we saw that only. Right now gold is trading above 1800 level. So my dear friend, we will try to have a detailed picture on the about the pair gold USD. So if you're busy right now, you can watch the video later because there are certain things that you may not understand if you're busy doing something else. So please try to watch the video when you're free. Okay. First of all, we can see that gold is right now standing at 17,896. Okay, this is the current market price of gold. Okay, and more or less we can see that gold has formed a bullish hammer on the chart. Sorry, bullish flag on the chart here. This is a clear bullish flag on the chart. So my dear friends, if possible, try to draw a bullish flag like this. I'm in a 4 hours time frame. So as we all know, bullish flag is a trend continuation pattern. So as long as market will be trading between these two lines inside the flag, this is our no trading zone. Do not forget that as long as market is trading between these two lines, this is our no trading zone. Okay, but before we proceed further, we should know that today we have NFP non-farm payroll. So we may see some disco moves on the chart of dollar today because NFP is a big event, first Friday of December. So you can see previous data was 261k and this time the forecast is 200k. Let's see whether market meets the expectation or not. But whatever you do, my dear friends, if you're a beginner, new trader, and if your capital is low right now, try to avoid taking position during the news. You can observe the market to gain some experience, but keep in mind, news trading is one of the hardest form of trading. Okay, market doesn't perform according to the news. Okay, so there are many things, lots of factors. So if you're not experienced enough, try to avoid the market during the news. Anyways, NFP will bring some volatility to the market, so please follow proper risk management and do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, and if we look at the this article here, you can see XAUUSD approaches 1807 hurdle ahead of United States non-farm payroll, and gold price right near the key hurdle after refreshing 4 months high. Hopes of slower Federal Reserve rate hike drowned the US States Treasury bond yields, US dollar and favored gold. Optimism surrounding China also allowed gold buyers to keep the reins. US non-farm payroll will be crucial amid talks of Fed's 50 bps rate hike in December. So the CPI on 12th of December will also be a very important because just the on 12 we have CPI, next day on 13 December we have the meeting of the Fed. Okay, so more or less December will be very crucial. And my dear friends, keep in mind that COVID numbers are rising in China. Okay, so that chapter is still going on. Okay, now let's have a look at the chart of DXY. Right now DXY is standing at 104.73. This is the current market price here. To get a proper picture of DXY, we should move to the daily time frame. See, this is the daily chart of DXY. Okay, as you can see that DXY has crossed the 200 moving average. Okay, but if we take the help of Fibonacci, we can see that more or less market is still respecting the Fibonacci 38.2% as well as the previous support here. So previously in the month of August, market took support around this level, and we can see the same thing happening again. So somewhere down the line, DXY is still trying its best to maintain the overall structure of the chart here. Okay, I think DXY will try to survive above this level during NFP or after NFP. Okay, nobody knows what will happen. Okay, there may be a breakdown and we may see further downside on the chart of dollar, but right now dollar is trying its best to survive above the important support here. Okay, because we have seen that market has taken support previously also. And if we look at the US bond chart, okay, on the daily chart of US government bonds 10 years, you can see that we have a trend line. Okay, so right now, yes, there is a good amount of correction going on, but in the coming days, there's a possibility that bond may come down and take support and bounce again. This is also a good possibility because we can clearly see that this trend line is acting as a dynamic support on the daily chart on the US government bonds. So enough with the dollar and bond. Now let's talk about the levels. So I'll repeat again. Do not forget that this is our no trading zone. This is our no trading zone. And before the news, okay, before the news, if market comes down to 1790 level, listen to me carefully. If market comes down to 1790 level, 1790 level, there is a possibility that market may go for a small bounce. Keep in mind only before the news. Okay, only before the news only. If market comes down, you can expect a small bounce. Observe the market on a 15 minutes time frame. If you see market taking support around 1790, you can go for a buy position. Do not expect much. At least you can expect somewhere around 30-35 pips. Once you get the profit, just exit from the trade. No need to stay longer because you must be very careful, and never forget that capital protection should be your first priority as a retail trader. And on the other hand, before the news, in case market breaks 1790 and starts coming down, then the good support, okay, see every chart has a good support, weak support. Okay, so on the chart of gold, right now the good support or the best support is around 1785 to 86. We are considering this level because you can see around 1785-86. Okay, it was the previous resistance. So right now we can expect the same level to act as the new support for the market. And if I take the help of Fibonacci, then I can see that around the same level we also have the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level. So if we combine both the factors, we get the confirmation that not the very strong support, but at least before the news we can expect the market to bounce from this level. If market bounces, again we can go for a buy position. In case market breaks it, then market may head towards 1765 to 1770 level again. Okay, but as of now, I think that before news, okay, 1785-86 has the power to bounce the market, and mostly 1790 also has a good history of providing support to the market. If you are a trader of gold for the last couple of months and years, probably you remember how strong 1790 was a couple of months ago. Okay, so yes, 1790 may again come into the scene, but in case market breaks it, 1765, 1770 may act as support. But on the other hand, if market goes up from here, you can consider taking a buy position as well. Okay, you can consider taking a buy position as well above the previous high here. Previous high is around 1804. So you can consider taking a buy position above 1805, especially after the news. Listen to me carefully. You can consider taking a buy position above 1805, 1804 level after the news, because for a breakout we need volume. And if the market remains slow, see right now I'm recording the video during the Asian session. If the market remains slow like this during the Asian session or European session, the breakout may not be real. For a proper breakout we need volume. Okay, and if there's no volume, then it can lead to a false breakout as well. So if market breaks this level after the news, then you can consider taking a buy position if the breakout is real. Okay, but observe the news also. But otherwise, before the news, please be careful. Okay, please be careful. And as we can see that this is a bullish flag. Okay, this is a bullish flag. In case market shows a breakout or market breaks the flag during the day, if you want to go for a buy position, you can go for a buy position. Okay, but keep in mind that we are retail traders, so do not compromise with the risk management. Any analysis may go wrong. Any trader, no trader is 100% accurate in the market, so please follow proper risk management. If you take a position at a breakout, okay, if you see market breaking the flag, please be careful. I'll repeat my words again, that a trader can only expect a profit. The only thing a trader can control is the loss. Okay, and this is the main difference between a professional trader and a retail trader. Okay, so if you go for a buy at a breakout, follow proper risk management so that your rest of the capital is safe. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you understood. Let's wait and watch how the market reacts during the news, and keep in mind, okay, keep in mind in during the news, in case gold starts falling, okay, in case gold starts falling, 1785.86 may not act as support, because this level, this support is not that strong that it can hold a news market. Okay, so during the news, if you want to take a position, then try to follow the trend only. Following the trend can be the best strategy, especially during the news. Okay, and beginners, new traders, please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Observe the market, gain some experience, but try to stay away from taking any position. Bye bye, take care.